Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Foldable phones have transformed the mobile industry, and with each new iteration, the boundaries of innovation continue to expand. Today, we delve deep into what the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 might bring to the table. These upcoming devices promise to redefine our expectations of foldable smartphones with larger displays, powerful performance upgrades, and a host of new features. Expanding horizons. Bigger screens for enhanced experiences. One of the standout upgrades for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is its rumored display size. The main screen could grow from the Z Fold SIX's already impressive 7.6 inches to a game-changing 8 inches. This extra real estate would not only enhance multitasking but also elevate gaming, streaming, and productivity to new levels. Imagine working on 2 apps simultaneously without feeling constrained by space, or immersing yourself in a blockbuster movie on a nearly tablet-sized screen that fits in your pocket. The cover screen is also expected to see a slight increase, expanding from 6.3 inches to 6.5 inches. This might seem like a minor change, but it could significantly improve the usability of the outer display for quick tasks, notifications, or even basic app interactions. For foldable enthusiasts, this incremental improvement would make the device more versatile and user-friendly. Galaxy Z Flip 7. A compact powerhouse. Turning our attention to the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Samsung's stylish clamshell foldable is set to receive some noteworthy enhancements. The inner display might increase to 6.85 inches, up from 6.7 inches on its predecessor. Meanwhile, the cover screen could grow from 3.4 inches to a more practical 4 inches. This larger cover display would enable users to interact more easily with notifications, widgets, and quick settings, making the device far more functional when folded. Both devices aim to maintain their sleek and durable designs, continuing Samsung's commitment to crafting foldables that look and feel premium. Power and efficiency. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and larger batteries. Performance is another area where the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are expected to shine. These foldables are rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite processor, a powerhouse chip that could bring faster speeds, better energy efficiency, and enhanced AI capabilities. Paired with this cutting-edge processor, the devices are also anticipated to include larger batteries. This combination could result in improved battery life, allowing users to enjoy extended usage without constantly reaching for a charger. Imagine streaming your favorite shows, engaging in video calls, or gaming for hours without worrying about running out of juice. With better energy efficiency and larger battery capacities, the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 could offer the reliability that modern users demand. Camera innovations. Balancing expectations when it comes to cameras. Rumors suggest the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might retain the 50-megapixel main sensor from its predecessor. While some may see this as a missed opportunity for Samsung to introduce a revolutionary 200-megapixel sensor, there's speculation that a special edition model could feature advanced camera capabilities for photography enthusiasts. For those who value versatility, the Z Flip 7 might also see improvements in its camera system, although exact details remain under wraps. Regardless, both devices are likely to deliver solid photography experiences, leveraging software enhancements to optimize image quality. A glimpse into the future. Dual folding triple screen concept. One of the most intriguing rumors circulating in the tech community is the possibility of a dual folding smartphone with triple screens. Imagine a device that unfolds into 3 separate displays, offering unparalleled multitasking and functionality. While this concept may not be part of the Z Fold or Z Flip series just yet, it provides an exciting glimpse into Samsung's vision for the future of foldable technology. Such a device could revolutionize productivity, gaming, and entertainment, creating new use cases that we can only begin to imagine. While it remains a concept for now, the idea underscores Samsung's ambition to stay ahead in the foldable market. Why the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 matter. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 represent more than just incremental upgrades. They embody Samsung's dedication to pushing the boundaries of what foldable devices can achieve. By improving display sizes, performance, and functionality, these devices aim to deliver experiences that cater to a wide range of users, from productivity-focused professionals to style-conscious consumers. The foldable market is still in its early stages, and every new generation brings us closer to realizing the full potential of this innovative form factor. With the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, Samsung is setting the stage for a future where foldable phones are not just a niche but a mainstream choice. Final thoughts. Share your excitement. What features excite you the most about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7? Are you looking forward to the larger screens, improved battery life, or the potential for groundbreaking new designs? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're always up to date with the latest tech trends. Catch you in the next video.